We've all been there. New driver, heart pounding, making little mistakes. Maybe you stalled at a green light or forgot your indicator. Hey, it happens. But there's one mistake you really shouldn't make: shifting into reverse at speed. This isn't Hollywood, folks. No fancy J-turns. This is real life, and the consequences are serious. Think of your car like your body. You wouldn't suddenly run backwards at full speed, right? Same goes for your car. It's just not designed for that kind of stress. Let's do a little car anatomy 101. See that stick or buttons you use to change gears? They control the transmission. This complex system connects your engine to the wheels, dictating how fast those wheels turn. Think of gears like bicycle gears. Low gears for starting, high gears for cruising. Each gear is designed for a certain speed range. Reverse is a special gear, meant for, well, reversing. It's designed to move your car backwards slowly and carefully, not at 40 miles per hour. So, what happens if you ignore that little voice screaming, "Don't do it," and slam your car into reverse at speed? Best case scenario, you hear a terrible grinding noise as your transmission throws a tantrum. That's the sound of metal gears clashing against each other, desperately trying to do the impossible. Worst case, you're looking at catastrophic damage. We're talking shredded gears, a shattered transmission, and possibly even engine damage. This kind of mistake can write off your car faster than a fender bender in a demolition derby. And that's not even mentioning the potential danger to yourself and others on the road. Section 4. From bad to worse. The damage done. Imagine this. You're cruising down the highway and suddenly your car jolts violently. You hear a horrifying crunching sound and your car loses all power. You're now stranded on the side of the road, with a hefty repair bill looming over your head. That, my friends, is the reality of shifting into reverse at speed. The sudden force can shear off gear teeth, jam the transmission, or even crack the gearbox casing. Your engine, already working hard to propel you forward, is suddenly hit with a massive counterforce, potentially causing internal damage. Section 5. Drive smart, arrive safe. Remember, driving is a privilege, not a right. It's a complex skill that requires your full attention and respect. So next time you're behind the wheel, focus on the road and leave the stunt driving to the professionals. Trust me, your car and your wallet will thank you for it. Drive safe and keep the rubber side down.